Okay, so the question that we're going to work on is number 2. It says, which situation represents a proportional relationship between the hours worked and the amount earned for Matt and Jane? Explain. So what I've been asking students to do is to take and set these up as a set these up as a proportion and then reduce. So 12 over 1 is reduced to 12 over 1. 20 over 2. So what I'm really doing is putting 20 over 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, and I get 10 over 1. Uh-oh. So this one and this one already are not equivalent. And then I'm going to take this last one, 31 over 3, which cannot reduce. So that one is 31 over 3. So those don't end up reducing to being the same number. So my guess is Matt is not proportional because they all have to be the same proportion for us to say that his earnings are proportional to his times. So I bet you it's going to be Jane's. Let's go through hers. I'm going to erase so I have some more room. And let's go ahead and do Jane's. So hers is 12 over 1. So I just took the same information. It's already reduced. This next one is 24 over 2, which I can divide by 2, and I get 12 over 1. So far, so good. So we've got 12 over 1, 12 over 1. We need to do this last one, 36 over 3. I'm going to come down here, 36 over 3, reduce by 3, reduce by 3, and this is going to give us 12 over 1. So therefore, when I write this out, I would say Jane's earnings, or maybe you would say the amount of money Jane earned is proportional. Proportional to the number of hours she works. Because in our real world, we can go ahead and say, oh, so she must make $12 for every 1 hour she works. Whereas Matt, one day he might make $12 an hour. The next day he might only make $10 an hour. His changes. His is not proportional. Whereas Jane always makes the same amount. She always makes $12 in 1 hour.